Talking with Jean this morning about her wonderful workshop that's coming up this Saturday, February the 20th, called Ignite Your Passion in 2021. So can you tell us a bit about the workshop, Jean?
Well, this is a workshop I've been doing for almost, 20 years, I guess. I've been doing this. The first one I did was in 2004 in Melbourne, and now I'm running my own equivalent workshop, and it's been crucial to the success that we've had in Papua New Guinea with our conservation and development work. So it's basically a workshop where you just really get yourself focused to figure out what your goals are for the year and really tuning into your body and your heart to get the energy you need to actually make those goals become real.
Okay, well, I'm going to be there. What can I expect to get out of this at the end of the day? I expect, everything to happen and perfection personified, but that's possibly slightly over-optimistic.
Well, you will have a list. That's the whole point. Often we have goals in our head, but we never write them down. And it's been proven that if you write your goals down on a piece of paper, then they're more likely to be achieved. So you'll have a list of those goals, not just for work, but for your whole life. So you'll have personal, you'll have health, you'll have finances, you'll have your career, spirituality. All of those different goals are going to be included in this workshop. And then we'll also produce a vision board at the end. So that's just a nice way of just consolidating everything together in a lovely little collage of your goals and what you want to achieve.
Oh, fantastic. So it actually is a fairly overarching view of what you want to happen in your life, isn't it? It actually is quite comprehensive.
It's very comprehensive. It's your whole life, a holistic approach to goal setting, if you like. And it's a holistic approach to goal setting, if you like. So you really want to have all different aspects of your life incorporated into the workshop. And it's very hands-on. I just guide you through a process and you're the one that's actually going to be doing all the work. So that's what makes it, a bit more tangible in terms of what you get out of it. I'm not just going to be standing up the front talking to you. You're actually going to be involved in a process. So it's experientially learned.
Right. Brilliant. All right. Yeah. So there'll be a link underneath this video when we get there somewhere. But it's on this Saturday, February the 20th, 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. at the Tablelands Business Hub. You can book via Eventbrite.